Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today I'm going to unpackage and install my new case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a case from Ringke, a brand we've covered on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel before, which I am quite happy with, so I purchased a new one. Let's see what it's like. So this is the Ringke Fusion-X Case. Lots of simple plastic bag packaging, which minimizes the amount of packaging required. And we have a little leaflet giving us an extra 20% off accessories from Ringke. They seem to be focusing on watches here. There's an extra card giving you instructions on how to set it up, which is always useful, and the case itself. So as with other Ringke Fusion-X cases that we've reviewed here on Tech Travel Geek, this has a transparent main body design and a slightly thicker TPU plastic design around the sides. But before we put the iPhone 15 Pro Max into the case, we need to start peeling off the inside bit of plastic. So the plastic, as it comes in the case, it's essentially protected by a protective film. This stops it getting scratched in transport. Taking a while to get there. Here we go. Got a grip on that. So that's removed the plastic covering on the inside. And you can see that it says remove protection film Ringke. I think we've just done that. Just check there's no bits left over. No, it's all gone. So I'm going to put the iPhone in, starting from the bottom, slipping it in, and then just prying it over the edges like that. So that was really quite easy. I even got a bit of cat fluff in there. So first impressions are very, very good. It doesn't add that much of a bulk to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which starts off as a relatively large device. So you can see that there's a bit of a ribbed finish on the side of the Ringke Fusion-X case here. That means that it's less slippy. We have a button extension in the case itself. And as you can see, that switches the screen on and off. In this case, I have the always on screen on. I'll need to switch that off in the settings later. There's a little detail here, FX, with more ribbed finish at the side here. It's just a bit of branding. There is a lanyard loop, so if you want to put a lanyard into this case and wear your phone around your neck, you can do so. At the top, there's no cutouts whatsoever, just a little bit of detailing and corner ribbing. Now this is a particularly useful bit of the corner because it means that if you put your phone down on its side, unlike other cases, and more importantly if you were not using a case, you don't have a wobbly phone. So you can put your phone face down, start typing, and not have a wobbly phone. It's nice and steady. Good to see this thought in the design of the Ringke Fusion-X case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Anyway, we've taken the film off the case. You can see the transparent back has a little bit of texturing to make it non-slippy. That's actually quite pleasant. Great, and at the top, the iPhone 15 Pro Max does away with the notification slider. It now becomes a button. I have programmed this as a camera button, so if you long press that button, it opens the camera. Next up, volume rocker. You can see it goes up. Okay then, so I'm back. Apologies for the slight interruption in this video. I had a battery issue with my camera, which is now resolved. I essentially forgot to charge it after doing the setup of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Anyway, I was saying that the volume rocker all works as expected. It's no stickiness, it all works as expected. And I've also had the chance to be using this case for well over a day now. And I can say that I really, really like this case. Despite it being a sort of proper protective case with chunky corners and extra support. It looks really good with that black camouflage finish that you can see here on top of the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. So really happy with this case. I will definitely give it a recommendation from myself and from Tech Travel Geeks. If you're on the market for a case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, I can definitely recommend this, and I'll link in the description to where you can purchase it, as well as linking to Ringke's store where you can see cases for other devices such as the iPhone 14 Pro standard, the iPhone 15 Pro, and all the other cases for smartphones that Ringke produce. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Again, thanks for watching, and speak to you soon.